Right, before we review for unit test tomorrow, I'd like to say that for this one, past simple tense, number 20. Number 20, are you here? If number 20 you here, please do this exercise, okay? About the past simple tense. No, past simple tense, not test. And this one is going to is number 5. All right, number 5, please do your work before the test tomorrow. Anyways, let's get on with it. How many of us here? 32. How many are we? Where's the rest of you? Why is only 31?
I don't know.
Well, they're supposed to be here. Anyways, it's just gonna be a quick review for you guys because I want you guys to spend the rest of the period go study. Just in case that you don't understand, you can ask me today. So, you know, you got it clear before test tomorrow. Right, let's start it with the vocabularies of the unit, which will not be on the spelling. I just want you to learn the vocabularies, know its meaning, that's it. You don't have to spell it, you know, by the letters. You don't need to. What I want you to do is that you go check on the past simple questions. Do you still remember past simple questions? Just put did, and then I, and then, you know, using did as a helping verb for the past simple tense. And when we want to add the WH questions, right? Who is for a person? What is for activities or place? Oh, sorry, activities or things. When is when you want to know the time, where is the place, why is the reason, and how is showing you, you know, what's going on. That's what is how it's all about. Here, from this sentence, can you make a negative form out of this? Can you make a negative form out of this? The thief negative. Do you know how to, the negative form? You remember how to make a negative form in past tense? The thief. You remember?
Didn't.
Good. Didn't.
Stole.
Didn't steal.
A
The thief
painting
actually stole it.
from the museum.
Right? So you can see this one. Stole, when it comes to the negative form, it switched back to steal. Right? And then how about yes, no questions? How do you make equations?
Did the thief
Right.
steal a painting?
Very good. Did the theft steal a painting? Right. But you want to know like a lot more information like places. What do you say? Places for the WH questions.
When did the thief steal a painting?
Right. Where, right? You want to know the place of it. You just say, sorry. Where did The thief steal a painting. Understand? So these are variety kinds of questions and negative form that is a structures that you're supposed to know. Most of all, whatever, doesn't matter what if it's negative or questions, you know, the verb always switch back when it comes to negative form and question form. Understand? Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, I'm gonna move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is the story. Remember the church tower where they use the binocular to read out the message, and then they get to rescue the owl. Well, I want you to read the story one more time. Go over it. There'll be 2 questions of it that you need to answer. Okay? And the next point is this, going to. You need to memorize all the structures, how to use going to. You need to understand what kind of tense is this for going to, whether it's the past, whether it's the present, or it's a future, right? So what is going to indicate it? Is it indicated about past, present, or future? When you use going to, is it the past, the present, or is it the future? The verb going to. Do you know? Do you understand going to? What is it for? Here, going to. And it's also must follow the infinitive verb. Also infinitive. Must have verb to be as well. These are verb to be. Go study on that, on going to. Okay, how it works and the structures and all sort of stuff. The next one is lesson 6. Do you still remember the wildlife friends? Here, wildlife friends, there will be questions about this article. So I suggest you to study for it. So easier for you tomorrow that you can, you know, just answer it or look for the answer. It's an open book test still. So I suggest that, you know, look up the words that you don't know that might confuse you in the test. Otherwise you're good if you understand the whole story. And the last one, it is about food chains. Basically, you need to learn about all the verb like producers, consumers, herbivores, omnivores, carnivores, food chains, food webs, and decomposer. Okay, what's the difference between the food chains and the food webs? All sort of stuff. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. So do you have any questions?
Not at all.
No? Okay, good. Go study for it. And number 5, are you here, number 5? Number 5.
I guess no.
No. Number 5, please do the exercise going to. Okay, number 5. And then number 20, you need to do the past simple tense. Okay, number 20, I cannot find you. So you need to do the past simple tense. Okay? All right, do you have any questions at all?
No.
If not, I'm gonna leave you here and I want you to go straight and study for the test tomorrow. Tomorrow test will be at 8:30. Okay, please do not be late. The test will be at 8:30. All right. So study for it today. So tomorrow you have no problems of doing the test. Understand? And the class leader, can you please tell the those who cannot attend my Zoom today that they need to be ready for tomorrow test? Yes?
Okay.
All right. So if you don't have any questions, I'm gonna leave you here and let you study for the test tomorrow, okay? So have a great evening. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 8:30, okay? Bye, guys.
Thank
Bye.